How to change Facebook name. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to change the Facebook name, first of all launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Select on your profile icon. Now as you select on your profile icon, simply what you can do is you can just go back and directly launch the gear icon to tap on settings and privacy. Now select on see more in account center. Here tap on the option of personal details. Now tap on the option of contact info, but you can see there's no option over here. So simply tap on account over here and go back and tap on profiles directly. Here select on the option of name that will pop up. You can simply select on any particular profile and then tap on name. Now just tap on any of the name over here and change it. And mind you that if you change your name, you'll not be able to change it again for 60 days. So you can simply keep that in mind and then tap on review change, and this will help you. Just tap on save changes. And there you go, your name has been updated successfully. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.